The CuCl is significantly more soluble than AgCl. Its dissolution, CuCl right-left terpenes Cu to the power plus Cl to the power, forcefully dictates the overwhelming majority of the chloride ion concentration. Let its solubility be Y. Since Ksp, CuCl equals 1.0 times 10 to the power minus 6, y to the power 2 equals 10 to the power minus 6 right arrow y equals 10 to the power minus 3 m. Because 0.1 moles of CuCl was added to 1 liter, it will only dissolve until Cl to the power equals 10 to the power minus 3 m, creating a saturated CuCl solution with excess solid resting at the bottom. The Ag to the power plus concentration is rigorously determined by this new common, Cl to the power Ag to the power plus equals Ksp AgCl over Cl to the power equals 1.6 times 10 to the power minus 10 over 10 to the power minus 3 equals 1.6 times 10 to the power minus 7 m. Thus, x equals 7. The answer is 7.